You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly, the name of this empire. If you want to learn more names from history that are confusing like this, stay tuned, I've got more videos. The British English pronunciation is pronounced as Ottoman. 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 Now, in English, it's also the name of a furniture. In British English, Ottoman. American English pronunciation, Ottoman. So it's a more open R sound. It's a T that sounds like a D, flap T, as is usually in American English. Ottoman. 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 American English pronunciation, Ottoman. British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.